Welcome to the in front of me OPPO Reno8 Lite, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that scroll down to the system settings. Then you'll see here the screen recording section. Now just here to change the sound settings, we should click on the switchers. For example, we can use the system sound and we can use also the microphone sound. So now we're in our screen recording, we will use the system sound, the ringtones, medias, and other sounds from different applications, for example. And we can also comment something with the microphone help. We can also use this to just features separately, so we can use only microphone or only system sound, or also we can move them together and we'll just record the mute video. Also, we can open this sound settings and screen recording by here by this way. Just open the notification bar. Here hold for a while the screen recording icon, and after that we will launch the same screen recording settings, and you can change the sound settings here also. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.